saved voice message.
Happy birthday to you.
Voicemails, photographs, videos. This is what Neil Heslin has to remember his son, Jesse.
Dad, you were dead?
Jesse was 6.5 years old when he was killed December 14th, 2012, in Sandy Hook in his first grade classroom.
Jesse was one of 26 people murdered that day. Austin-based conspiracy theorists with InfoWars, a group led by Alex Jones, have spent several years trying to convince people it never happened.
Claiming that parents were actors, that the tragedy never happened, questioned if children were killed there.
This month, the Texas Supreme Court ruled that Heslin's defamation case against Alex Jones and others can move forward. His lawsuit is one of 4 tied to Sandy Hook in InfoWars, 3 filed by parents of murdered children, each represented by attorney Mark Bankston.
You have to understand these parents, for each of their children's legacies, have had an asterisk next to their name that connects them with this horrible man.
Heslin says this is personal for him. He feels targeted by these conspiracy theorists who claimed he lied about holding his dead son.
Fact is, I did hold my son. I did see him with a bullet hole in his head, right through his forehead, right above his eyelid, the center of his head.
Still, InfoWars pressed on, falsely claiming the Sandy Hook victims' bodies were never released.
In Jesse's case, there was an open casket. 5,000 people saw Jesse. So where does Alex or Arun Schroyer get off with saying I didn't hold my son, I didn't see my son?
After 3 years of roadblocks, Heslin says he looks forward to finally facing InfoWars in court.
Money can't correct the damage that was done. This whole thing, the lawsuit I have, is not about money. It's about, holding him accountable for what he did and said.